call is being recorded for quality assurance purposes. If you do not wish to be recorded, please advise your customer service representative.
Is that right?
Hello?
Tony? Tony, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay. Tony, first and foremost, I got to apologize. We were supposed to talk earlier, and you can imagine it's the end of the month, and I had to put out several fires already today. So I apologize for being late, Tony.
Okay, that's all right. I forgive you, Eamon.
Thanks so much. Okay. So, Tony, I just want to follow up with you yesterday. I know you want to give a testimonial on your experience with MBE Financial Group. So I just wanted to give you that platform. So basically, I'm going to just ask you a couple of questions, and you can just speak honestly about your experience with this. I greatly appreciate it. Is that okay?
Sure.
Okay. So my first question to you is, how did you hear about us?
I heard about you through a mortgage company when my wife and I were trying to buy a house earlier this spring of this year.
Okay, fantastic. So you heard about us through a mortgage company. And was there any skepticism that you had upon giving us a call? Were you a little scared? Didn't you believe her? Or how did you feel?
You know, my wife and I talked, and of course, you know, who wants to give somebody their bank account number, you know? And second most is, you know, we're on a fixed income, and money's tight, like it is for a lot of people, and, you know, you're kind of wondering, well, what can these folks do for us? And, you know, I highly recommend it. You know, it worked out beautiful, and don't hesitate at all, and do it, you know, because it paid off.
Absolutely, that's fantastic. So, tell me some things that you liked about the process, you know, including the results. So, what did you like about how MBE Financial Group just handled your case from top to bottom? What did you appreciate?
Well, I liked it. One thing that you stressed, Damon, was how very important it was when you do get stuff back in the mail, get it back to you guys so you can do your job and follow up on everything. And then it was nice getting this stuff back and then seeing how much progress you guys did make on the 6 to 7 months I was with you folks on stuff that was coming off your credit report.
Absolutely. So you appreciated seeing the results then, correct?
Yes.
Fantastic. Okay. And then from where you started to where you are now, what kind of changes have you seen thus far?
Well, the changes I have seen, I went and got a credit card and went and got a loan. Before I couldn't even touch that.
Absolutely. So now when they were telling you no, everyone's welcoming you in the door, huh?
Oh yeah, you betcha. Yeah, in fact, I get stuff on, you know, my email account, and everybody wants a piece of the pie now, and it's like, well, I never got that before.
That's always good. That's a good thing. Well, Tony, I'm not going to trouble you anything more. Was there anything else you want to say?
No, I just would recommend anybody to go ahead and go with you folks. You're very, very friendly. Your staff is always polite on the phone, and you know, always touch base back to me and kept in touch with emails. And I'd recommend you guys to anybody that's financially been struggling with bad credit and bankruptcy, foreclosure, anything that you've had a problem with.
Absolutely, absolutely. But Tony, I really, really appreciate your testimony. As I told you before, it's so strong because there are so many people in your similar situation, and a lot of people don't know what kind of help is afforded to them. So we really appreciate that, and we're going to share this with others. And, you know, once a client, always a client, as I told you before. So if there's any other questions you have in the future, you get something in the mail that you don't know what to do with, you always are just one phone call away. So, you know, we really appreciate your business, Tony.
All right. Well, thank you very much, Eamon.
Okay. All right. Take care. Talk to you soon.
Yep. Bye.
All right. Bye-bye.
This call has been